Yes, yes, yes. Jesus, peace, Jah, Krishna, Allah, Buddha, me granny, Backfoot. Yo, Mr. Vegas was, I think Lady Saw, let's tie this in with the first caller, the brother we call. I think Lady Saw needs to hook up with Mr. Vegas. And good morning, you're live on the air with SouFLo.
Morning.
Good morning. Who is this?
Delcita cold water in the building.
Wait there. The audience is here. You don't know who Delcita is? Eh? Delcita, good morning. Thank you for being here. What on?
It's all over me and it's keeping me alive. Oh, keeping me alive. Keeping me alive. You know, so me holy mic.
Ladies, I'll call you.
She don't call me, no, but she called to me. She called to me spirit.
Yeah.
She wake up me spirit. What's SouFLo?
You need to reach out to her.
For somebody who I admire, Lady Saw, for the depth of her talent and the depth of her lyrics. And I must pay homage to her because as an actress, we depend on the entertainers out there to get our content on stage, right? So you can imagine if being up on stage all this a weekend, you like when we go on stage this Sunday. But I mean,
what go on this Sunday? What go on this Sunday? You end up on stage this Sunday?
On the place and a lady saw me get that the line from. When you cut off a girl on stage now, after Trevor, I'm not gonna worry yourself about me because if the man late,
oh, yeah, the inspiration.
Yo, when we drop that the line there, it's all like a bees in the audience. And drop that up here one. Understand? So, I don't want, as some artists to another artist, I don't want to disrespect her any at all. I just want to say life happens. I don't know what to say. Life happens. And she under pressure. The one thing I'm picking up from the statement of Mr. Relief, I'll call it a lady star press release. She said she leaving social media. So I don't know if there's an update to that press release. She leaving preaching on social media.
Right.
So I don't know if she leaving Christianity or she leaving preaching.
Talk. So me want to know that.
But we share all the best. Right now she's supposed to under a whole heap of pressure. But when it's Kiara do yesterday, trust me, when they see her, she hold the mic. Remind me when she sing this song, say, I one mic, me chat on and a mic to the mic. Yeah, man, at that. She hold it like a dinner. You see me?
Yeah. Yeah. And that's why the people them say them. Some people say them couldn't even listen to our preaching because our mannerism just take them back to the Lady Saw, not Marian Hall minister, but Lady Saw on the stage. Lady Saw when she did in a Lady Saw mode.
She should therapy if you change that, you know.
Yeah, I don't see that.
She has to go through therapy because that is her. It's hard for her to move away from that the personality there, from that the stage presence there. It's hard. It's hard. She have to go in one place and then teach her. One specialist take her and say, all right, when you're preaching, this is how you're going to preach.
Oh man.
But you know, she needs to settle. She need I want her to tell us that she doesn't just need divine intervention. She need a therapist. She needs to speak with a therapist because when you get beat left, right, and center, you alone can't fight it.
Yeah.
And if you need God to fight it, you still have to sit down with somebody that then comes you.
Heavy fundamental. True talk. And we're not bash her and beat her down too much neither over here. We're having a good morning, yes. But we are trying to figure this out too. Which way is it going and what's really happening on these things. But in your world though, what is going on with you? Because the people that obviously know who you are and know say you're there.
So we can't go on stage. So we still have to stay on the virtual stage. So this weekend for Valentine's is Monday. So Sunday, which we call on the brink of Valentine's, I'm having an online event. And I'm inviting all our listeners this morning, everybody. It's going to be at 6 p.m. this Sunday with me and my Canadian counterpart because normally we go to Canada every year.
Same.
Have not been there for for 2 years straight. I was like, that's what they're going to catch the hotel. So we are teaming up, and it's going to be at 6 o'clock. It's going to find tickets at Delcita.com for $15.99 US, $19.99 Canadian, for a little bit of money, UK money. Right?
Can't feel the money talk.
Support, please.
This Sunday, you said?
Support me. Because we can't go to long bad because yo, me not go on stage live this weekend, you know. Yo.
This Sunday.
Hello, yo.
Milan miss this enough. I think we as an audience should make this our meeting place this Sunday. Who agrees? Make this a meeting place this Sunday. So give us the information again where we can go get we ticket and thing,
so
please.
Delcita Bet is DELCITA for Delcita, DESK.com. You go there and look for the brink of Valentine with Delcita and friends. And you click on it, you have to register. When I think first is not remembering that when you're watching an online event, you need to register. So it's not like you're going to the store to buy a ticket. You have to register. So when you register, then you pay for your ticket. And you get a link to watch the ticket. You see me? I want everybody just come out and support. You see? Because me and Patchy look like we have a left and a new man and worry himself. And me I tell him and say, yo, worry yourself. Because even if you live on my Patchy falls, yeah.
When they hear me, we are there. We are there.
No problem. And thank you. Thank you so much, SouFLo. Thank you so much.
Big up yourself and thank you.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself, everybody. I remember, so we still have to love those who gave us entertainment despite their pitfalls. That's very important.
True talk.
Bye. Have a great day.
Peace. All right. So this Sunday, I think we should all be in there because the comment section would be very festive. Now, if you don't know who that was that called just now, then please go look her up. You laugh till you kin over. That's all I'm going to say about that. All right? I'm definitely going to be on this one this Sunday. But watch her now. She said some real things just now. And I understand because she's in the entertainment business as well. So, of course, she don't want to say nothing. But me think she's genuine in what she just said. We don't really want, like I was saying before that phone call, I'm going to read when ladies are put up again because that alone, to me, has, it sounds weird. Live on the air with SouFLo. Good morning.
Good morning again, Mr.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?